Millions of people around the world live with chronic pain. I am one of those people. So I decided to acquire a medical device to help mitigate these issues that I have. For example, my forearm consistently hurts. No type of stretching works, and it's just been consistent for over 6 to 8 months now. So there's a product out there called the LaserTouchOne, which I have here, and it runs for about $489, which is expensive. But if you live with pain every day, I'm sure people will maybe make the decision to purchase one of these. Now, this is FDA cleared. Also, it was designed by a doctor, a pain doctor, based out of Phoenix, Arizona, by the name of Aki Oi. And he's been in practice for, I would say, over 30 years, maybe even 40 years. So being a pain doctor, he knew exactly what patients were coming in for, and how he could reduce their visits by giving them some sort of device that helped them out with home care or self-care. So what I'm going to do is kind of show you exactly what I see whenever I open it up. What this unit does is basically emit a laser light that penetrates the skin, as well as an electrical current which stimulates the muscles and it actually induces blood flow in the area, which promotes healing. So whenever you open this up, you just see some sort of literature, but I won't go over that because I know many of you are probably watching this to see exactly how this thing works. So you get a user manual. Again, for beginners and first timers, maybe you go over this, but for me, I'm not going to. They included a CD. I don't know if anybody uses these anymore, but I don't have a CD drive in my MacBook Pro, so I'll toss that to the side. This is a warranty card as well, and then basically this is the unit here. The LaserTouchOne. It's pretty simple. So this comes in a plastic bag and it is open so that you can easily remove it. It's not heavy, so it makes it perfect for carrying it around with you. And as you can see, there are two shiny pads here. That's actually where the electric current comes from, and the middle is where the laser light comes from. When you turn it on, you'll see something like this. And again, don't directly look into that. Some warning labels in the back, including that it is FDA certified as a Class 2 medical device. The parent company's name is Renewal Technologies. Their motto is pain relief in the palm of your hand. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out for you guys, and I'll do a time lapse so it's fairly quick. But whenever you hit this on button, it'll stay on for a few minutes. So I'll go ahead and speed up that process and show you exactly how to apply this gel here, and then use this on the area of pain. After a 5-hour recommended charge, I was able to use this for one session, and by that I mean you pushing this once and letting it go until it turns off. So that lasted about 2 minutes, and then the laser shut off. Now you can do that up to 4 or 5 times in one single area, up to 5 times per day. I enjoyed the strongest sensitivity, or I would say not sensitivity, but the strength of the laser or in the current. Whenever I had it down low, I didn't feel much, but whenever I actually turned it up, I could feel some of my muscles contracting in the area, and it felt really good. It was triggering certain muscles, supporting muscles that I normally don't feel. If you work out a lot, I do recommend getting something like this. You're not going to find this at Walgreens or being promoted by Shaquille O'Neal or anything like that, because usually a lot of those things are very cheap and gimmicky, and they don't really work. So if you want something that is a little bit more, durable, something that's more serious, it's actually designed by a doctor. You should actually look into getting a FDA approved device such as this. $489, I know it's expensive, but I think your health comes first when it comes to budget. So if you guys can do it, go ahead and purchase this thing. You guys will not be disappointed. Again, thanks for tuning in. I do a lot of reviews because a lot of people are wondering where they should spend their money, so I try to help them make a good decision. So I would recommend for you guys to buy this product. I do not make any money off of this. I don't have any relationships with this company. I'm simply just trying to help people out by letting them know that this device exists and that if they want pain relief, then maybe they should consider acquiring one of these devices.